வணக்கம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் 5 மார்க்ஸ். ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 1 discuss the main causes of the First World War. Highlight the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles relating to Germany. Explain the course of the Russian Revolution under the leadership of Lenin. Unit 2 trace the circumstances that led to the rise of Hitler in Germany. Attempt a narrative account of how the process of decolonization happened in India during the interwar period. Unit 3 analyze the effects of the World War II. Assess the structure and activities of the UN. Unit 4 estimate the role of Mao Zedong in making China a communist country. Unit 5 discuss the circumstances that led to the reform movements of 19th century. Evaluate the contribution of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and Swami Vivekananda to regenerate Indian society. Write an essay on the role played by the 19th century reformers towards the cause of women. Unit 6 attempt an essay of the heroic fight Veerapandiya Kattabomman conducted against the East India Company. Unit 7 discuss the causes and consequences of the revolt of 1857. How did the people of Bengal respond to the partition of Bengal? Unit 8 examine the factors that led to the transformation of Gandhi into a mass leader. Discuss the reasons behind the partition of India. Unit 9 discuss the response to Swadeshi movement in Tamil Nadu. Describe the role of Tamil Nadu in the civil disobedience movement. Unit 10 describe the background for the formation of the Justice Party and point out its contribution to the cause of social justice. Estimate Periyar EVR's decisive contribution to the social transformation of Tamil Nadu.